Hello everybody, today we're checking out the 22 Genesis GV70. Today we'll be looking at the ambient lighting, going over all of the features to actually change the lighting on the inside of your vehicle. To access this, you will just scroll over to setup, you go into vehicle, from vehicle, scroll down to lights, ambient lighting, scroll down to color, and access your favorite color. You can also change the brightness of a light by coming into brightness and scrolling between 1 and 10. The last feature, but some of the most important, is you can actually dim this in the dark. If you want it dim or not dim, you just scroll right here and check or uncheck. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we'll see you soon.